Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing splendiferously. I'm really excited because today we're going to be doing a unboxing. As you guys may know, I have been on a little journey of online thrifting recently, and yeah, well, while this quarantine has been going on, I've been filling the void in my heart from that misses thrifting out in real life so much that I am now online thrifting. And you know what? It's pretty fun, though nothing really beats the real thing, going out and finding your treasures. But there is still a great satisfaction of being able to look online, find some really great deals, and I've taken this time to really hone in on my kind of like deal finding skills online, and I have just been scouring the internet, going from app to app. I'm on eBay, I'm on Mercari, I'm on Poshmark, I'm on Depop, I'm on Therealreal. I am really everywhere just looking to find those deals, and I have a couple of things that just came in today that I'm really excited to share with you guys. But if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button so you're notified when new videos do go up. Add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's get into this. So, I have a couple of goodies right here that I am really excited to open up with you guys. Let's start off with the larger box. Oh my goodness. I can just I'm like, I wonder what's inside what. It sounds like... Ooh, okay. Oh, they sent me a mask. That is so sweet. Look at that. Also, I have disinfected all these boxes and stuff like that. I do have to rate the buyer or the sellers before... Oh, there's another one. I have to rate the sellers before I... so that they can, like, receive their funds. So I can't, like, leave them too long. So... Okay, the first thing that I'm pulling out of here, other than the mask, which is very, very nice. These masks are great. It looks like they might have made them themselves, which is amazing. Look at that. I really like the stripe one. That is really cute. Oh my gosh, I actually really appreciate how it is lined up in the middle, the stitching. Fantastic. It's like a designer handbag. Okay, let's see what's in here. I know what it is just by feeling it. Oh my gosh. Check out this beauty. Oh, it is glorious. Look at this belt. That is stunning. So this is a Chanel belt. I believe it's from the 2018 spring summer collection, but I'm not 100% certain. Oh my gosh, this is so cute, you guys. I just want to kind of like buckle it so you can kind of like get more of like a better effect. Oh my gosh, there you go. How cute is this belt? It like barely will fit around my neck because this is for like a little waist. What is the size on it? Oh, here it is. It is upside down. 80/32. There you go. There's all the info right there for you guys. But I'm definitely gonna put this up in the shop. It's so cute. It is like new. I really don't see any signs of wear at all, not even like on the strap where like the part that connects to the little CC buckle. It's like in perfect condition. So this is so stinking cute, you guys. Beautiful. I'm very excited. Okay, well, that is the first item right there. This beautiful Chanel belt. Gorgeous. Okay, then up next is in here. I already know what's in here because I ordered them together from like the same seller. So that's why they're like in the same box. Oh my gosh. Okay. Check it out. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so here it is. This is a Saint Laurent card wallet. It's brand new. It still has the original tag on it. It retailed for $325. It's black leather with silver leather hearts on it. So cute. It has card holders right here. And then a zipper opens, and then it's just like a... How cute is that? This is cute. I actually had one of these before, but it was just like the plain black all leather one, and it had the smooth leather. This one has a grained leather. So cute. Ooh. I was gonna put this in the shop, but I actually might keep this for myself. This is really nice. So yeah, brand new. Still has the tag still attached to it. It's super cute. I love the stars. That is such a fun touch. Ah, so cute. Okay, that was super duper fun. Very excited about that. That was everything that was in here. Let me just put all this tissue back inside. I'm crazy. I'm actually gonna save that tissue because, you know, tissue is, like, packaging stuff is expensive, and I literally save every piece of packaging that I get when I can. Okay, so then up next, the next thing is inside here. And let me see if I can just open this up here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this, you guys. Dun, 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 dun. I'm like really excited for this. I never thought I would own anything from this collection just because it is like so popular and it's always like sold out, and I'm really excited to get like a little piece of this collection. But here it is. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I already forgot what this is called. It's from like that Louis, obviously it's Louis Vuitton. I have it up on my phone, so I'll tell you guys what it is in a second. But so cute. This piece is beautiful. It has the black epi leather, gold hardware. Oh my gosh. So cute. It has oh my gosh, how cute. Okay. So there's the inside. It has a back pocket right here. And the back pocket actually has the like original like little, oh, it's the trunk Toledo. The kids are fighting. I apologize. They're like going crazy up there. And then there's a zipper pocket here in the front. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. That zipper is like butter. So it's just like a little like card wallet. It has a little keychain thing so that you can like attach it to your belt or whatever. But I was actually thinking about making this into like a tiny micro bag, because who knows if I'll ever be able to get my hands on one of like the actual like trunk bags. And this is so tiny, so cute. So I was thinking I actually have the strap already ready right here. But I have this black strap. It does have like a brown, like the underside part is brown, but I mean it's totally cool still. I think it'll be really cute. So I was gonna attach this on here like this, and the other one I will attach on the little zipper pull right here. And I know it's not actually meant to be a bag, but now it can be worn like a bag. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Oh, look at that. It's so cute. It totally works. I was like, ah. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm so super excited. This is so sick. I actually like the contrast with like the brown and the black. I think it's really cool. The gold hardware is great, matches up pretty much on spot, or like on point. So cute. Okay, so let me tell you more about this because I'm really excited to know a lot of you guys are gonna have questions about it. But okay, so it is called the Trunk Multi Cartes from Louis Vuitton. It comes, I believe, in a variety of, it comes in two colors, the black, and then also comes in a pink color. And this bag, or like this wallet, it retails for $1,120, and I got this bad boy for $255. Can you believe it? And it's in like new / new condition. It doesn't look like it's ever been worn or used. It has the care cards, it has the pouch, and I am over the moon! Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited! It's so cute. Oh. Okay, well, these are today's. This is today's little haul. We got a Chanel belt. We have the Saint Laurent card case and the Louis Vuitton card wallet, which I'm going to be using as a crossbody bag. This is so exciting. I'm so happy. But yeah, this just, like, I'm telling you guys, there are some really great deals right now out there online. I have missed a lot of deals, and I got a good amount of them as well. It's really all about searching. It's all about really just searching. Search everywhere. All of the reselling apps. Just keep looking through them. I find that it kind of helps if you kind of hone in on one thing, because if you're searching for like so many different things, it's really hard. And that's actually like the beauty of like shopping or thrifting online, is that you can actually hone in on certain items, whereas if you were thrifting out in the real world, you can't be like, oh, I really want to look for a Chanel card case, whereas when you're online, it's like, oh, I'm going to look for specifically only Chanel card cases and look everywhere and scour the internet and all that stuff. So I feel like that is a really good tip to give you guys. If you've been searching for a specific type of item, and now's the time to really hone in and try and find it online, because you can find some amazing deals right now. So with that being said, I'm going to end the video here. Oh, also, I forgot to tell you guys how much I got these things for. I think I got this wallet for $125, retails for $325. And then this belt, I think the belts retail for like around like $800 to like $1,000 something. I got this one for, I believe, like, I want to say $300, around there. Again, it's like new though. It really looks brand new. It looks like it's never been worn. Beautiful. So that is going to end today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to tune in to tomorrow's video bright and early at 7 a.m. Again, if you guys are watching this also on or before Mother's Day of 2020, everything in the shop is going to be 25% off, and that is including any items that I just put in brand new. So that Chanel belt will be 25% off, along with the Saint Laurent wallet if I end up putting it in there. So go check it out. I love you guys so much. All links will be down below. I'll see you guys all tomorrow in a new video. Bye!